Chào bạn, tôi là ĐUN Anh, đồng sáng lập của chương trình Tiếng Anh Xây Dựng KY. Và hôm nay tôi đã mời đến đây bạn Thọ và chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau luyện tập một cái đoạn ngắn trong cái bộ bài học của chúng ta. Ok, Thọ, are you ready?
Yes,
okay.
I'm ready.
Let's rock!
Okay.
Okay, Thọ, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's rock.
Okay.
So, Trung's company has a new residential project and you say?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so whose company has a new residential project?
Trung's company.
Does Trung's company have a new residential project?
Yes.
So whose company has a new residential project?
Trung's company.
Does Trung's company have a new project?
Yes.
Does Trung's company have an old project?
No.
So what kind of project does Trung's company have?
New project.
Okay, is it a new residential project?
Yes, of course.
Is it a new bridge and road project?
No way, man.
So what is it?
Residential project.
So whose company has a new residential project?
Trung's company.
Okay, does Trung's company have a new residential project?
Yes, man.
So does Ming's company have a new residential project?
No way. Trung's company.
Yeah, so what kind of project does Trung's company have?
Residential project.
Okay, is it a new residential project?
Yes.
Is it a new road and bridge project?
No.
So what kind of project is it?
Residential project.
Okay, and the total land area of the project is 7,000 square meters. And you
wow, 7,000?
Yeah, 7,000
Wow,
square meters. So how many square meters does the total land area of the project have?
7,000 square meters.
Does it have 70,000 square meters?
No, man.
So how many square meters does it have?
7,000 square meters.
Does it have 8,000 square meters?
No, not 8,000.
So what has a total land area of 7,000 square meters?
Oh, the residential project.
Okay, is a new road and bridge project have a 7,000 square meters?
No, man.
So what is it?
It's the residential project.
Okay, so whose company has a new residential project?
Trung's company.
Okay, is that residential project have a total land area of 17,000 square meters?
No, not 17,000 square meters.
So how many square meters does the project have?
How many? 7,000 square meters.
Does it have 8,000 square meters?
No, not 8,000.
So how many square meters does it have?
7,000 square meters.
Okay, there will be 500 apartments for sales. And you say?
Oh, 500 apartments?
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Okay.
It's a huge number.
So how many apartments will be ready for sales?
500 apartments.
Okay, is it 5,000 apartments?
No, not 5,000 apartments.
So how many apartments are there?
500 apartments.
Okay, are there 600 apartments?
No, not 600.
Okay, so will there be 600 apartment units for sale?
No, not 6,000.
So how many? Okay, so how many square meters does the project have?
7,000 square meters.
So what project has the total land area of 7,000 square meters?
Yeah, a new residential project, right?
Okay, that's right. So the company wants to sell them for 5,000 US dollars per square meter.
Wow, 5,000?
Yeah,
wow,
5,000 square meters. 5,000 US dollars. So is it a cheap price?
No, not cheap, man. It's very expensive. It's
Okay.
not cheap.
Is it a extremely expensive price?
Yes, it is really extremely expensive price.
So what do you think about the price?
Expensive.
Okay, so can you afford it?
Yeah, no, I can't afford it.
Okay, so can you afford it in the future?
Yes, in the future, I believe I can afford it. I can buy it.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, have fun.
Ok, đó là cách bạn có thể tự luyện tập tại nhà. Nó sẽ phải rất là nhiều năng lượng như vậy, rất là crazy như họ vừa show cho chúng ta thấy như vậy. Và hãy dành thời gian, nếu mà bạn ngại thì hãy đóng cửa phòng lại và bắt đầu free yourself, bắt đầu gọi là giải phóng bản thân mình. Và từ đó bạn sẽ có một cái thói quen học tiếng Anh vô cùng tích cực. Ok, chúc bạn thành công.
Okay, good luck.